Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Looking for your next cosy getaway? Well, let me introduce you to Stonewall Cottage in Sandsend, nestled within the stunning North York Moors National Park. Imagine stepping into a beautifully restored traditional stone cottage. Stonewall Cottage offers a cosy living area with a fireplace, perfect for those relaxing evenings. The fully equipped kitchen is ideal for whipping up delicious meals after a day of exploring. And let's not forget the two comfortable bedrooms that ensure a peaceful night's sleep. To top it all off, there's a modern ground floor wet room with walk-in shower, basin, heated towel rail, heated floor, WC. Talk about blending modern amenities with traditional charm. Stonewall Cottage isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience. Whether you're looking to unwind by the fire or cook up a storm in the kitchen, this cottage caters to all your needs. It's perfect for couples or families seeking a memorable getaway, providing a charming and convenient base for all your adventures. Now, let's talk about Sandsend. This charming village on the North Yorkshire coast is close to the popular seaside town of Whitby. Sandsend offers a peaceful escape with its sandy beach, quaint cafes and local shops. The surrounding countryside is perfect for walking, cycling and just soaking in the beauty of nature. Beyond Sandsend, the North York Moors National Park awaits with its vast expanse of moors, forests and valleys. Explore scenic hiking trails, challenge yourself with mountain biking adventures, or enjoy a leisurely horseback ride through stunning landscapes. The park offers outdoor activities for all interests and skill levels. And don't miss out on the rich history and culture of the region. A visit to the historic Whitby Abbey, perched high on the cliffs overlooking the sea, is a must. Plus, the nearby fishing villages each have their own unique charm and heritage, waiting to be discovered. So whether you seek relaxation, adventure or cultural immersion, Stonewall Cottage in Sandsend has something for everyone. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable getaway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.